everybody. I just wanted to share how to make a 8-page mini zine with one piece of recycled computer paper. So you have paper with something on one side, and you can make it into a nice little zine like this. So here we go. Step 1, fold it in half. Fold this, make sure the creases are good. Next, you will fold it in half. After you fold it in half that way, you fold it in half long ways. So then next, you fold in one side to the middle fold and then the other side into the middle fold, and make sure you get those creases nice and good. Then you will open it back up, fold it in half, take a pair of scissors, and you will cut just until this middle intersection. Okay? Then once you have that cut there, you can pick it up, take either side and pinch them in, and then just smooth it out. And then you have a zine. 8 pages. Very nice. Enjoy.